everybody, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Satyar, and in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to use Telegram notification for WooCommerce. In this tutorial we're going to create a Telegram bot and then set up the plugin, and after that I'll show you an example of the Telegram notification using this plugin. To get started, you should create a Telegram bot using bot fodder. To do so, open the Telegram. In a search bar, search @bot fodder. Open the bot fodder and click on start. Then click on new bot. After that, choose a name for your bot. For example, my shop vacation. Then you should set a username for your bot that ending with the bot for your robot username. To do so, you can write something like now you are successfully create a new Telegram bot. One of the important things here is your robot token. Do not share this token with others since they can use your robot to send messages or receive messages that user send to your robot. So copy this token and keep it safe. Then go to your WordPress website, go to the plugins. In here, add new plugins and install the notification plugin for WooCommerce. Then click on install now, and after that activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you can see that this plugin being activated. To access the setting, go to the WooCommerce, then setting, and in here find the Telegram notification tab. In here you can set the robot information and other important data. So first of all, copy the robot token and paste it in the first field. Then you should select the chat ID or group ID that robot send you a message. To do so, first of all, I want to receive the notification in my private chat. So I have to message my robot, start, and then I have to use this robot to receive my chat ID. After starting this robot, I can receive my chat ID. Paste the chat ID here without any space or extra characters, and then continue. Orders topic ID is for users that they want to use supergroup. So if you use a normal group or if you use a chat ID to receive notification from your private chat, you don't need to fill this field. Then you have to select the trigger for the order. For example, I like to receive notification when one order changed to processing, and also I like to receive another notification for orders that change to complete. So I hold the control or command on Mac systems and then select the second option. Now I select two order status that I like to receive notification for them. In here, you can set a message or notification template, and you can use these variables: order ID, status, customer name, currency, total formatted, billing email, shipping method, payment method, date, time, and products. Total formatted, including the total amount of the number for the bill plus the currency sign or the currency name. These formatted total obey your WooCommerce setting. So to set these uh, currency or these total formatted, you have to open the setting, and in here you can set the, the information here. For example, I like to show the currency on the left side with a space, and in notification the robot obey the rules that you set here. So back in the setting, I like to also use the total format for the messages, and also I like to receive date and time, plus the list of products that the user bought in the order. Next, you can use Google Script to use Telegram web services indirectly. In some countries, due to the Telegram limitation, they cannot use Telegram APIs without any VPN or proxy. By using a Google Script, you can call the Telegram API in those countries that Telegram are limited. To do so, you can create a Google Script app with the source that included in my GitHub. For further information, please read the instruction in the video. So since I have no problem with Telegram API, I don't enable this option. Another option is enable sending notification for the products that become out of stock or they going to out of stock. So I enable this option as well. Also, for those users that they like to use supergroup, they can set different topic ID for the stock notification. After setting all the fields, you can click on Save Changes. So now we successfully set up our robot, and I like to test my robot. To do so, you can click on Send Test Messages. So here, test message says sent successfully. And as you can see in our robot, we received this message. This means that our website can successfully connect it to the Telegram API. To testing the order notification, I like to create a new product and then submit an order. I also add a price like $90, and then in the inventory I add in stock and tracking stock quantity. So I set to 2. And also we can set into 3, and here we can set a threshold to 2 for lowest stock threshold. After doing so, I click on add the new, I click on publish. So let's submit an order. To do so, I click in orders and add new order. I select the user and then I add an item. I set the status to processing. since in my robot I select processing as a trigger. After creating the order, I have to wait to receive the notification through my robot. Because the robot uses a system to avoid extra delay when the user wants to submit the order, it puts all the sending message into schedule actions. So as you can see, now we receive two notifications. The first one is indicate that the product is getting out of stock. The second one is a notification for the order with the status, total, and also date and time, plus the list of products that the user bought. Let's try the robot with supergroups. To do so, I create a new group into the Telegram. I can add this robot right away. Then, in here, in the setting, I can turn on topics to make a supergroup. So now I can create different topic for my team. For example, I create a topic called orders. I create another topic called stock. So now I like to set the ID from this group into the plugin. To do so, I'm going to WooCommerce setting and then after that in Telegram notification. As you can read here, for supergroup, the ID should start with this number, something like this ID. To get the ID for the group, you have to send a single message into that topic. Then right click and copy message link and paste it here. The first number is the robot, is the group ID. Copy the group ID and then paste it here. After that, add dash 100 in front of the group ID. To getting the topic ID is the second number. So here 3 is a topic ID for stock. In here I set 3 for topic ID for the stock. I do the same thing for the orders topic. Number 2 is a topic ID for the orders. So I set 2 here. After setting all the details, I click Save Changes. To check the connectivity, I then click Send Text Message. As you can see in a general topic, we receive a message. This means that the robot access to the group. So let's try the notification again. I go to the orders and add a new order. Then I create the order. After waiting for a little time, As you can see, after a little time, now we can receive the notification from the orders into their topic and also receive the notification about the product into the stock topic. So you can have a better management in your team by creating different topic for orders or stock. You can also use a simple group to sending a message, or you can disable the notification for the product stock. Here is all the details about this plugin. If you like this plugin, you can rate this plugin in wordpress.org, or if you like to donate, you can use the donate link into the wordpress.org in this plugin page. Also, if there's a problem, you can open an issue in the GitHub that this plugin allocated. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In this part, I'd like to show you how to use a Google script to sending the notification with Telegram. This part is useful for those users that their website located in some countries that Telegram are bound or limited. To using a Google script, first you should create an app in your Google Scripts. To access the source for this app, you can go to my GitHub and then this repository, and after that in Docs, Google Script source, and now you can access to the source. Open the Google Script, then click here and click New Project. In the new project, delete all the default function. Copy all the code that I provided in here and then paste it here. After that, choose a name for your project and then click on Deploy. Manage the deployments, and after that, create deployment. In here, you can select the type to web app, and here change the setting to anyone and click on deploy. In here, you should log in into your Google account again. So click on authorize access and then select your Google account. After that, click on advanced and go to my shop. Then click on allow. As you can see, now you have a link that you can use to using Telegram APIs indirectly. Copy and then go to your plugin setting, WooCommerce, setting, Telegram notification, and here paste the link into this field. After that, enable the use Google Apps script instead of direct Telegram API. Then click on Save Changes. To testing the new setting, click on Send Test Message. As you can see, we received this message with Google Script instead of using a Telegram APIs directly. If you have more questions, you can send me an email about this feature in the plugin. And also, you shouldn't be worried about the delay in your shop if you have a lots of orders, since this plugin don't send the notification right away. This plugin adds a notification into the schedule actions and after a while send all the notification together. Sometimes this takes about between 10 seconds to about 2 minutes after the order. And if your server is too busy, then the schedule actions could take longer to get complete. So you shouldn't worry about the delay in your orders. And also in this way, we can make sure that all the notification will send in a proper way. Thank you for watching this video.